Good evening, everybody. It's Sunday, April 24th, 2023. I'm just out tinkering. Figured I'd start my 1968 R60/2 for you. It's cold. Ooh, cold. That always cracks me up when people do that. Anyway, close the canister all the way. Fuel is on, trickling through the filters. I always like to give a couple of twists of the throttle, and nothing better than a good healthy tickling of these old ticklers. 10 or so here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Another twist or so of this throttle. Don't forget to pop down your start. 1 for compression. And let's see. Almost. Little throttle. Little tickle. Little tickle.